Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. So far we have learned a number of grammar lessons in Tulu. Today just for a change, we are going to learn something different. That is Tulu calendar and week names. Also words related to seasons and weather conditions. If you have not yet subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Tulu calendar is one of the oldest traditional Indian solar calendars. Even though now in routine most of us follow Western calendar, Tulu calendar is still used for agriculture activities or religious activities and festivals in Tulunadu region. Let us now learn the names of months in Tulu. Probably you will find the words a little bit difficult to remember since they are new words. First month is called Paggu. Paggu. Second one Besha. Besha. Third one Kartel. Kartel. Fourth month is Ati. Ati. Sona. Sona. Nirnala. Nirnala. Buntel. Buntel. Jarda. Jarda. Perarda. Perarda. Punni or Puintel. Punni or Puintel. Mai. Mai. Suggi. Suggi. You can also see equivalent Sanskrit solar months names in the screen. Each month has 30 or 31 days. A year is called as Varsa or Odu in Tulu. The new year or the first day of the Varsha falls in Paggu and the day is called as Bisu, which is on April 14 or April 15th. And this day is celebrated as Bisu Parba in Tulunadu region. The first day of each Tulu month is called as Tingoda or Singoda, and the last day is called as Sankranti. Now let us learn some of the words related to calendar. Panchanga means calendar. Varsa or Odu, year. Iodu, this year. Muodu, last year. Munnodu, year before the last year. Tingalu, month. Chandra or Tingalu means moon. Tingolda Bulpu, moonlight. Surya or Nesar means sun. Portu, time. Nakshatra or Bolli, star. Vara, week. Dina, day. Tedi, date. Amasa, new moon day. Punnama, full moon day. Sankranti or Sankramana, the movement of sun from one zodiac sign to another. In Tulu calendar, last day of each month is called Sankranti. Singoda or Tingoda, the first day of each month in Tulu calendar. Pattanaja means 10th day, commonly referred to 10th day of the month Besha. This is the ending day for all religious and cultural functions of the season like Bhutakola, Yakshagana and annual phase of temple, etc. Okay, now let us learn week names in Tulu. Aitara, Sunday. Somara, Monday. Angara or Manglara, Tuesday. Budara, Wednesday. Guruvara, Thursday. Sukrara, Friday. Saniara, Saturday. Okay, now let us learn names of seasons and words related to weather conditions in Tulu. Aregala, summer or hot season. Mariala, rainy season or monsoon. Chaligala, winter or cold season. Gali, wind. Karagali, wind blowing towards the shore. Birugali, storm. Erigali, hot wind. Simagali, cool breeze. Suligali, whirlwind. Barsa, rain. Mughal, cloud. Chali, cold. Dumbu, sunny or sunshine. Seke, hot. Begaru, perspire or sweat. Begapu, to perspire. Bolla, flood. Yerte or Dinjel, high tide. Jappel, low tide. Bulkir, clearing of the sky from clouds in rainy season. Minchi, lightning. Tedil, thunder. Okay, now let us see example sentences. Niklenite bassa enchondu. How is the rain at your place? ಪತ್ತು ದಿನದಿಂಚಿ ಬುಡಂದ ಬರ್ಸು ಬರೊಂದುಂಡು. It's raining continuously from 10 days. ಇನಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಚಳಿ ಉಂಡು. It's very cold today. ಇನಿ ಎಡ್ಡ ಬಲ್ಕಿರ್ ಬಸ್ಸ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. Today sky is clear, no rain. ಇನಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ದೊಂಬುಂಡು. Today is very sunny. ಮೂಲು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸೆಕೆ ತಂದುಂಡು. It's very hot here. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn potential mode in Tulu. Now let us see the correct answers for the quiz number 4. Question 1. Write the present adverbial participle form of the verb kullu. Answer kullondu. Question number 2. Write the correct past adverbial participle form of the verb ra. Answer radu. Question number 3. Yana ninanu dash batte. I came searching for you. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer nadandu. Question 4. Onji gante dash alu poyal. Having waited for 1 hour, she went. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer B. Katadu. Question number 5. Aye enada dash poye. He went without telling me. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer C. Panande. Question number 6. Is it drinking water? Translate into Tulu. Answer Undu parpina neera. Question number 7. Puttina dina. Translate into English. Answer birthday. Question number 8. There is no work which cannot be done by you. Choose the correct translation. Answer D. Ninardu avandi bele ijji. Question number 9. Inku Tulu dash barpuji. I don't know to speak Tulu. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer B. Paterra. Question number 10. Learning Tulu is very easy. Translate into Tulu. Answer Tulu kalpani mast sulabha. Question number 11. Akulu kode battini ini popini. Translate into English. Answer They came yesterday and will go today. Question number 12. Bachel. Translate into English. Answer Tiredness. Question number 13. Inku erinala dash ijji. I don't have fear of anyone. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer C. Podige. Question number 14. Let us go. Translate into Tulu. Answer Poi or Poka. Question number 15. Aleda dash. Let us ask her. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Kenuga. Question number 16. Ade dash. Don't go there. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Povada or Povade or Poverchi. Question number 17. Aya Ninada dash. Let him talk to you. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Pateradu. Question number 18. Ide dash. Come here. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Bala or Bale. Question number 19. Amasaramal Pade. Translate into English. Answer Don't be hurry. Question number 20. Undu dash illu. Whose house is this? Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Erena. Question number 21. Dash Popujir. No one is going. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer B. Erla. Question number 22. Dash Dina Tikkaga. Let us meet another day. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Kodunji. Question number 23. Aye Enada dash. He should ask me. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer A. Kenodu. Question number 24. Yanu Dada dash. What should I do? Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Malpadu. Question number 25. E Ade dash. You may go there. Choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer D. Povali. Question number 26. Aye Aleda dash. He should not speak with her. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Paterraballi. Question number 27. Iru Mulu Kullaraballi. Translate into English. Answer You should not sit here. Question number 28. Undu dash Katha. What kind of story is this? Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Enchi or Enchina. Question number 29. Dash Dina Karindu. Some days passed. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Kelao. Question number 30. Enku Banudu dash. I can fly in the sky. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Answer Rayara Apundu.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.